couple of hours ago, the ever so popular plugin for DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Premiere, MotionVFX just came out with a huge M installer update. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to install the update yourself or download it for the first time and showcase what is new in this update. The best thing about them, besides the good designs and stuff, is the ease of use and installability. I'm just gonna make that up through something called M installer, which I'm going to bring up now. Is kind of their plugin software that you download before you really start utilizing them. And so you just download this to your computer, and they just came out with an update, as I mentioned in the intro, that adds some pretty cool stuff. So we're still on the old version here. This is what it looks like. And it basically just allowed you to use all of your plugins. You could install them. If they had issues or bugs, you could reinstall or uninstall, check out your licenses, all that good stuff. But you know, you didn't venture in here too often. Well, let's go in here and where's the update? Check for product updates. Oh, right here at the top, 2.3. Let's update it and install. Let it do its thing, and through the magic of editing. All right, so now we have the new version up here. And at first initial glance, it may not look that different, but one of the biggest things they've added is actually the store within the software. So it used to be you had to go to MotionVFX website to purchase anything new and kind of initiate everything, but I think they were really smart. It kind of built it all into this app. So now once you install the M installer, you can pretty much just interface through here. So I can go to the store here. I can see everything that's new. It very much looks like their website, right? Like this is the same landing pages. You can see everything about it. You can see all the interfaces. Honestly, it probably like loads better than through the web interface. So you can quickly see what's going on. And then you basically just pick which version you want. And then, okay, they just built the card in here and you basically just do everything straight up through here. So that's cool. But one of the other things they added besides just trying to get your money even easier is they have a try now section. And for select plugins, they've created demos, and they've had versions of these before, but they were somewhat hard to find in my opinion on the website, or at least like now it's just easier. It's just like, hey, try this out. So you can go in, and most of these, or all of these are Final Cut except for the latest one, M Message DVR. So especially if you're a Final Cut user, or if you just want to test out this for DaVinci Resolve, you can go in and just hit try demo, and it will install it like the full version. But I believe it either just leaves a watermark or you just can't use all the features or something. Yeah, if you've never heard of MotionVFX, I highly recommend you try them out because their plugins are so addictive, because they're high quality, they're easy to install. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Links to all this are in the description below. If you use those links, it does help me out. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.